Good evening, everyone. My name is Yash, and today we will learn JavaScript basics. We are starting this playlist of JavaScript on our YouTube channel, and along with parallelly, we are running one more playlist that is Java with DSA. All the concepts of OOPS of Java, basics of Java, and all the concepts of DSA will be discussed and explained in that playlist and in the JavaScript playlist. Basically, we will learn JavaScript and Node.js. Yes, also databases also. So make sure to subscribe this channel and bookmark the playlist as well. So let's begin with the JavaScript. So JavaScript is a client-side language. So first of all, we will this is an HTML file. We will integrate this index.js file by using src. Sorry, src tag this and we will write index.js. What it will do, it will connect this index.js with this index.html so that all the scripts in this file will be used by this document. Also, what we can do, we can also apply inline.js as well, like it's in box. So let's say we have given a button this submit, and if we want anything, this like on click, what we need an alert of what message submitted. So what it will do, it will throw an uh, okay, it will throw the alert whenever we will click it, right? So yeah, I think this concept is clear now. What I am doing, I am out of my mind actually right now. So yeah, this submitted message will be in like alert. So let's talk about index.js. So first of all, the first thing is the variable. So we declare variable by using var. If we name it, then it's a. We will assign the value. It will be 10. I have opened the console as you can see. So it will directly show you all the outputs without switching the screens, right? So console.log. What it will do now, console.log means it will print this keyword, or I mean this variable or anything we will put inside this will be printed in the console tab of the browser. You can easily open this using index.html by clicking here live preview, and in the console it will because it is used so that we can know that where actually we are. For if for example, if you will develop backend interfaces now, backend systems, then to test that any function is calling, we can use them temporarily in the console.log so that we can see that if the function is calling or not, at what step we are. Like, I hope you are understanding what I am saying. Mhm. So as you can see in the console, the 10 is printed, right? So yeah, it's kind of like print statement for JavaScript. Okay. The second thing is let. Same we will do here. As you can see, 20 is also printed there. So what's the difference between var and let? So what happens with var? Var is actually a normal container, like which can be reinitialized. Like if I say a x equals to 200, right? Now if I print this, then the value of a is changed. It's like 200 now. Same can happen with let also. If we say b is equals to 2099, then you can see the value of b is also changed now. But what is the difference if both are same? So the difference is we can do like this, where a is equals to 10,000, and you can see we have reassigned this a. Okay, so like we have redeclared it, right? But in let, if you do the same now, it will throw an error. See, it is throwing an error. So that's why we this is the difference between var and let. One more thing is const. We will definitely learn it, but you guys know that what constant that can't be changed, right? That can't be reinitialized. Mhm. Obviously, one more difference is that uh, one more thing I want to tell you now, that uh, in default now what happens, that var variables, they are initialized default with the undefined thing, right? If we say var o, now if we print it now, then in console you can see undefined will be printed. So yeah, same happens with let, and if we do console.log, it is also undefined. Okay, but if we write in const now, then it should be initialized. See, there is an error, and the code uh, like this IDE VS Code is giving suggestion that you should initialize first the const keyword. Okay, if we do this, now it's fine, it's not giving error. So I hope all these things are um clear for you. And one more thing, what are primitive data types? Primitive, basically, that are not what, that cannot be broken further. I have also taught this concept in the DSA and Java playlist. Make sure you revise it. So the second thing is the object. What is an object? Object in JavaScript can be created as follows. So please see carefully. If we make a constant object, okay, see, it basically it's in the book. If we, so the first thing before this colon is the key, and then whatever we will type now, it will be the value. So one thing you have to like keep in mind, that whatever key you will provide here, that will be in the this comma, inverted comma. Okay, so I don't know whether what's called inverted comma or what. So yeah, it should be inside it. It's actually the syntax of a string, but let's see. I will tell you, like Yash, and then comma. We should apply comma also. Age, let's say 22. Now in the last key, na, last key and value, you should not apply the comma. So this is the syntax. Now you want to access now, see, console.object. Whole object will be printed in the console. So then if you want to like access any particular key, the value of any particular key, then what we will do, console.log the name object, check what, let's say age, then the age will be defined here. See, 22 is printed here. Okay, so yeah, these are some basic rules. So let's do an exercise. Basically it's in quiz, right? We have to make an object and store value in that. Mm. Obviously I want to tell you about one more thing, that is concatenation, string concatenation. If I have a string like where a is equals to Yash, then if I will add something in the console.log a plus 100, then you can see it's not adding it because obviously it can't be possible. But what it is doing now, it is basically treating this as a string only, and it is concaten I mean sorry concatenating, basically concatenation happen here. Okay, so the spelling is concatenation. Yes, it will concatenate. Simple. Now we will make an object. Const object is equals to, we will feed the information name like anything Ankush or anything, then a roll number like 90, and let's say marks equal to 95. Now I will print na console.log. Wow, amazing. Code editor, like it's recommending very good code, right? So you can see what happened here. Okay, so object I have taken two times. Obviously const we can't redeclare it, right? So one more thing you have learned, that we can't redeclare, so we will take as an object 2. Now you can see this is printing name is Ankush, roll number is 90, and marks are 95. Simple. Okay, I hope it's clear. So we will meet in the next video. We will discuss more concepts. So till then, thank you and goodbye.